Hey everyone, this video is just to show those of you who may not already have a Shopify store how to enroll and how to get started, and then also how to take advantage of the 60-day free trial Pagefly offer that comes as a part of enrolling in the Udemy course. Okay, so before you begin, you just want to go to shopify.com. They've got plenty of buttons all over. Basically, every single Shopify page will have a start free trial button somewhere. But this is the easiest way, so just click on this. Just need to put in your active email address, create a password and a store name. When you click create your store, it just takes probably less than 2 minutes to get everything done, and then you'll just be putting in some further personal information, and before you know it, you will be at your Shopify dashboard, which will look exactly like this. Okay, once you've started your Shopify store, you'll want to go to this page. We'll include the URL in the resources for this video. It's pagefly.io/pages/Udemy course. So this will actually entitle you to a 60-day free trial. Regularly, it's just 14 days. I should mention too, the free trial for Shopify is 14 days, hence why the standard Pagefly trial is 14 days as well. But because you're enrolled in this course, you can get 60 days. Okay, so that'll give you plenty of time to get used to how to use the app and, of course, follow along with the course and be able to start building good pages for yourself. Okay, so when you get to this page, you can click on the button here. You'll put in your Shopify store name that you chose when you clicked on the button on shopify.com, and then you'll install it and just follow the process from there. Okay, once you've installed it, we have another video for how to access the Pagefly dashboard. Once you've installed it, it will just appear in your apps here. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Good luck.